Good morning, everyone. I turned Bev's and her family, the Grow Family Network, down. I was watching them doing their tasting of their fruit trees. Yeah. But anyway, guys, I want to thank you all so much for stopping by this morning. Yep, it's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day, and I hope you're having a beautiful day also. But today, guys, I wanted to just stop by and share with you all some things that I was doing in my garden. Yeah. So, I'm going to share with you all some of my fruit trees that I do have. Yeah. And we went and had a visit with Mr. George, y'all. We went down to see Mr. George. So Mr. George was just telling us some things about vegetables that's going on right now. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you have a wonderful day. All right, guys, let's get started. But first, if you are not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Yes, I will be sharing my Zone 9 garden. Yeah. Boom. Hello everybody, I am down here by Mr. George. Look at him, y'all. Don't get him stirred up. Anyway, I just came down here to I need a fruit for today, and I just wanted to share some of the things I was seeing here. Look at these pecans are $1 a pound. They're nice, healthy pecans too. Cool. Nice. And these Creole girls. Good Lord. Good Lord. Ooh.
Now, what you want to talk about, honey? Come on, stop me doing my work before I get fired.
The fall vegetables. So this is the month of September.
Yes, ma'am. Going into October.
Right.
Fresh cabbage.
Fresh cabbage.
Fresh mustard greens.
Mm-hmm.
Fresh collard greens.
Mm-hmm.
Fresh turnip greens with the bottom. Fresh spinach. Fresh leucinata kale. Red and green. Fresh carrots with the tops. Fresh red and brown potatoes. Local sweet potatoes. Fresh okra. Green beans. 4 different kinds of eggplants. White, green, yellow, pink.
Stripe.
Green beans. White squash.
Yeah.
Zucchini. Yellow squash. Local pumpkins. The Creole ones, Couchon pumpkins.
Et les bon temps roulé.
Local vine ripe, grown Creole tomatoes locally right now.
Mm-hmm.
We got some strawberries will be out early this year because of this weather. Normally they pick them like right 2 weeks before Thanksgiving, but they'll have some next month, around the middle part of October this year.
Cool.
Nice local pomegranates, persimmons, local grapefruit, satsumas, tangerine, grape, muscadine grapes. Oh man,
So
limes, key limes. Man, look, around this time of year is the best time of the year for eating local citrus and all that, because that's plentiful here right now.
Yeah, yeah.
But we're in a season right now where a lot of that stuff gonna be maturing earlier on account of the climate and the weather. It ain't really cold yet.
Yeah.
Next week should help that stuff out a whole lot. We get this cool wind in, you know.
Yeah.
Because what happens is it sends that sweetness to the tree.
Yeah.
And the tree supplies the fruit, and that's how that stuff gets sweet.
Yeah.
And we don't
So
normally
you
like to pick it till it gets sweet off the tree.
Yeah. So you've been doing a lot of canning?
Yeah, we've been doing a lot of pickling cucumbers and peaches and all kinds of jellies and man, we got like, oh man, she gonna bring you and show y'all.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm
shelf
going to
back
show
there,
y'all the
but
shelf. Yeah.
If y'all need to get in touch with us or contact us, we at 504 36th Street, 0309.
Yeah, but it's been great though. I see, and it's great too. A lot of canning is going on. Everybody is canning, which is great. Absolutely great.
That's where it's going to be at. You know, at one time, back in the day, most people they ate off their land. You know,
Right.
you know, people ain't really had the money to be running in the grocery stores and buying that stuff.
Exactly.
Especially now the stuff that they're selling in them stores.
Yeah. And then a lot of places they say organic. You know, I really don't even think it's organic.
Well, a lot of people, you know, in a business like this,
Yeah.
you know, we don't believe in lying to people because, you know, when you lie to somebody, that's not really good for
Well,
business.
I think the best way to know that if your vegetable is 100% organic is that you grow it yourself.
That's correct, and that's what we do.
Yeah.
I try my best.
Yes.
Y'all need to see us. We at 129 Terry Parkway. Y'all can call me. I'll be glad to answer my phone at 504-363-0309.
Yes, and that's where I'm at right now. 129 Terry Parkway. Look at the garlic and peppers. This is awesome though, Mr. George. I always enjoy
Where
coming
you been
down.
at, man? Where's your daughter?
My daughter's at work. She's at work.
Yeah, it's crazy, man.
Yeah, Jody's at work.
Yeah, it's been with this weather, with this rain every day ain't good, but
Yeah,
we got some nice weather coming next week.
yeah. Let me see what you got down here.
All kinds of stuff, man.
What is
We got
that?
pickle-
Mild chow chow.
Yeah.
Hot
That's the
dill
one
pickles.
You need your good, I don't eat no hot dog, but you need your good smoked sausage on the bun
Yeah.
with a little bit of that
Mhm.
and a little cheese, cheddar cheese,
Mhm.
and you feel like you're at the ballpark.
Ooh, look at this here. It says peaches habanero jam.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, that sounds really good. Real good. Yep. Awesome stuff. And of course, that's the honey with the honeycomb in it. And this King what?
King number 50, Endymion,
Endymion.
2012.
That's Mr. George when he was King Endymion of the Mardi Gras. Yeah.
First black American.
Awesome. Awesome. Cool. Look at you sitting up there like you're a king.
I was the man.
You what? You are the man. You still a man.
Ooh.
Yeah, you still a man.
Oh, what a day.
Awesome day, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
It treated you like royalty.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Amazing. Amazing. I don't know if you all saw this, but these are the two small peppers, bell peppers, like the little bags of small bell peppers. And I saved the seeds and I just dropped the seeds and there they are. I think this is so cute. I'm gonna eat this thing. I'm gonna eat it. Both of them. This is my lunch, y'all. This is lunch. So let me share what this is. This is shrimps. This is some greens from my garden. Yeah. I have, onion, garlic, celery, bell peppers, those two little sweet bell peppers, they're in there. And this, y'all, yeah, that's grits. Ooh. I just wanted a grits meal, and this is so good, y'all. It's so good. Let me get one of these shrimps here. I'm looking through the lens, y'all. It's just not good. All right, here we go. Come on. But anyway, guys, this is my lunch for today. I hope you're having a beautiful lunch as well. Today is Friday. So yeah, got some seafood right here. And all the vegetables was grown in my garden. So this is my Fuyu persimmon, and as you can see, I'm doing an air lay on it. And yeah, I took the foil off because I want to know what's going on in there. So I'm gonna find out. Yeah, I'll show you all when I take it off. But if something is not going right, or if it's making a callus over it, then I want to find out. So I'm gonna share it with you. One day this week I'll share it. Well, one day this weekend I will share it. All right? All right. But this is my Fuyu persimmon tree. Yeah. This is another lemon tree right here. She's in a bucket, but that's her. Yeah, she needs some work, but that's okay. I'm gonna help her out. This is a blueberry plant. Yeah, it's blueberry. This is a blueberry plant. I really need to get her from over here. She's been drowned by all of this grass, but that's okay. I'm gonna get the grass cut tomorrow, but I'm gonna take her out because she's a blueberry. Here's another my lemon cutting that I did, and she looks really cute. That's her. She looks really cute. So this is my olive tree, and it was sitting out where I had my sugar cane. There's lots of flowers out there, but this is my olive tree. And look at this. This is a Cosmo. These seeds just fly in the wind, and she just got in here and just established herself. And this is what happened to my moringa tree. So let me try to get her up without hurting this tree. All right, so the roots was not long on that Cosmo. So this is my olive tree, and yeah, she's ever bearing, so she's not going to lose these leaves at all. She's going to do well. So let me share with you what I'm doing over here. So this is behind my bed, and this is where I put my trees at. So all of them is not here. I have the I've been cleaning up. See that? Yeah. So I'm just doing a little bit at a time, y'all, because no, I'm not going to do that. But this is my air laid tree, fig tree. And I don't know if I told you all, I want to thank my friend Sue. Thank you, Sue. So I wanted to name this tree, and I wanted a real sweet, special name for this tree because, yeah, this tree is real, yeah, it's important to me. Yeah, it really is. My first air laid, you know, and it's amazing, y'all. It's amazing. Look at that. I don't know if I shared this with you all. She have fruits on her. But anyway, I did name her, and her name is Jada. Jada. Yeah. But anyway, so this is Jada, and over here is one of my brown turkey fig trees here. Yeah. And there's another one. Well, let's go see on the other side. My lemon tree is here. Yeah, this baby blooming away. She's still blooming away. She got lemons. She's doing all right. But let me share the other ones. Of course, this is one of my guava trees. This is one. So this is not. She didn't have. She didn't have any of the fungus on her, so she's good. Yeah. And this is another one of my fig trees. And here is the guava that was invaded. Yeah, but she's doing all right though. She's okay. They're really just getting really big. They're just getting really big. Yeah. Big girls. Yeah. And over here is where my sunflowers was. And of course here is banana trees. She have, how many pups? 3 pups over here, but I gotta get out. Here's sugar cane, and this is from Sally's Wind, Sally and Beta Winds. Not the sugar cane like this, but it is really, really big and fat. Yeah. And lots of flowers in here. There's some kind of melon growing here. I don't know what kind of melon, but it's growing, and I'm letting it grow. And there's more sugar cane here. Yeah, there's more sugar cane back there. And flowers. Basil, that's dying. But yeah, it's time. This is Oriental Wonder Beans. That's what this is. I don't know. Oh, look at her. That's her beans right there. I didn't even know she had put on some beans, but she did. She's just going all over the place. Come on, girl. So I'm gonna get these beans off and put them in that container so I can save them. But anyway, that's it. That's the fruit trees. Woof. Yeah, more banana trees out there. But I'm gonna put them all by the other fig tree. So let me share the other ones. Oh boy. Of course, this is the LSU purple, and here's the other fig tree. Yeah. So that's what I'm doing today, y'all. Yeah. And everybody is looking all right. Everybody is doing well. Over here, they're looking good. All right. Now I gotta get this in the trash. This is our little Pepper that we rescued. And there she is. She's doing really good. She's doing real good. Yeah. Boom. Yep. She's getting there. She's getting there. I wanted to share with you all that these are some of the things that I purchased the other day for my garden, and these are just some common nails. We don't use them, and that's the way they look in there. But I'm going to use them for my garden. Yeah, and that is my moringa tree. Yo, yeah, that's her. That's that tall girl. That's that tall girl. She's a big girl, yo. She's way up there. Yeah. All right, guys. That is all my trees. That's them.